Excelsis Deo.
Et in terra pax omnibus.
Glory to God in the highest, and peace to all on whom his favor rests.
Rolling hills of Judea, valleys of Galilee, waken your slumbering shepherds, his vision of glory to see.
Up in the sky stands an angel, a message he's waiting to share. Messiah is born in a manger. Tell the good news everywhere. Spread the glad tidings of Jesus so loud. Sing from the mountain, shout from the stillness of baby Finding Christ in the manger, they worship the infant King, bowing in humble contrition, the noblest of praises to bring.
And Mary